Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 19th of October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to visit Russia from October 22 to 23rd to attend BRICS summit. Time has come for private sector to take lead in defense sector participation. Rajnath Singh. NDA government to ensure last mile delivery that helped build trust in public since 2014. PM Modi. Bhutan and India discussed strengthening hydropower cooperation. President Murmu hailed Indian community in Malawi as living link between the two nations. IMD forecasted heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and Karnataka. Deadline extended for National Scholarship Portal applications for meritorious students to October 31st. Benami Law. Supreme Court recalled 2022 judgment that declared amendments unconstitutional. Now international news. Russia tested readiness of Yaz nuclear missile unit in Moscow. Unease grew within France over President Macron's commented on Israel. EU leaders urge new laws to speed up migrant returns. Ukraine urged global action on nuclear safety amid Russian occupation. Now, some sports news. Virat Kohli completed 9,000 test runs during second innings against New Zealand. PT Usha reacted to the draft of National Sports Governance Bill, raised concern about autonomy of sports bodies. October 30 set as the deadline to submit the retained players list for IPL teams. Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi top list of world's highest paid footballers for 2024. Business related news. Interest rate cut at this stage will be very premature, very risky, RBI governor thus. Excessive pricing RBI bars for NBFCs from giving loans. Direct taxes bring 57% to total revenue, highest in 14 years. India's growth rate among the shiniest parts of the world economy, Ajay Banga. And that's all in news. Thank you.